loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cynthia, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe down below. So today I have for you guys this look, this faux freckle yellow eye look. And before we go into the video, I want to congratulate the winner of the giveaway, which is Christina. So congrats, girl. Without further ado, we're gonna go right into the video. So I have gone ahead already and done my base off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. I've already gone and primed them with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade light medium, and I did not set that with translucent powder because yeah, it's 2018 and we ain't setting them with translucent powder anymore. So I have any clean brushes. So I'm gonna be taking the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I am gonna go for a yellow look. I'm gonna go in with this light yellow shade just as a transition color on my Sigma E45 brush, and I'm gonna put this in the crease. Actually, no, scratch that. Honestly, that ain't doing it for me, so I'm gonna go ahead with a packer brush. I'm gonna take this shade right here and pretty much put that all over the lid and kind of bring it up a little bit, and I'll be using another brush to blend that out. I've actually never done a yellow look before. So I kind of brought it up into the crease just a bit. Oops, they're so sticky. I'm gonna be taking a different brush in a bit and working that up so you can have that nice blend. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the other side. Okay, now that I have done that to both eyes, I'm going to be taking my Morphe E17 brush. I think with this shade up here, it's kind of like a darker yellow. And I'm gonna be bringing that into the crease and blending upwards. And by the way, if I'm talking kind of weird, it's because my lips feel very sticky because I have this lip plumper on. You guys hear that? And it's pretty sticky, so when I talk, my lips just kind of like stick together. It's getting yellow all over the place, this fallout, girl. Honestly, I think I might do glitter in the inner corner. I'm feeling it. This is my first time ever using this palette, and I really like it. The colors are pretty pigmented. As you guys can see, it's really yellow. All right, I'm just gonna use a brush with no product on it. This is the Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. Now I'm gonna grab a more detailed brush, and this is the Morphe E18 brush. Going in with that same yellow, I'm just gonna bring it underneath, as well as bring this one a little bit underneath as well. And connect it here at the top. Now I'm bringing in that darker shade. And I'm gonna put some glitter liner on the tear ducts. This is Honey Dust. I'm not sure which brand it is, but I've had it for forever. And it's just some glitter liner. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and go put on my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put on some lashes. These are the Dodo lashes in style 313, I believe. I have a code for you guys, and this time I won't forget to put it on the screen somewhere because last video I completely forgot. So yeah, I used my code to get some money off. I've also gone ahead and highlighted and added a lip gloss. This is the Anastasia lip gloss in Vintage. And now I'm gonna attempt to do faux freckles. I'm kind of scared because I've never done faux freckles before. And if I mess up, then that ruins the look. So pray for me. I am using the Maybelline Line Stilletto, and this one is in the shade brownish black, and I think I'm just gonna dot on little freckles. No, that was too dark. Probably gonna go back with like foundation or something, like my foundation brush, to really mix it out, make sure it's not too dark, to really fade them. I'm gonna be focusing this on like this area, the high points of my face. And I'm gonna also put some like right up here. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and kind of fade them out a bit because they are too dark right now and I want them to look a little more natural. And finally, I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So that is the end of this look. This is how it turned out.
I just like the sound.
So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and also turn on the little bell notification so you get notified every single time I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.